Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we're going to review a little bit about echo and reverb that SoundTraxx Tsunami2 has built into its decoder, what it does, and how it can work for you. So let's get started. Okay guys, first we're going to look at this Broadway Limited 282 that we've done a conversion and upgraded to a Tsunami2. Now if you're interested in this installation, be sure to check out our YouTube channel where we've done a step-by-step installation using this model on our YouTube channel. But first off, what we're going to do is there's two CVs that we're going to address to add reverb and echo to the whistle sound. The first one is CV233, and CV233 is what's called the control, and this determines what type of an echo or reverb effect is going to be applied to the decoder. Now in this case, we're going to take CV233 and we're going to set it to a value of 4, and this is going to be representing a light echo. Now the next part is CV161, and CV161 determines how much of that echo and reverb sound is filtered back into the sound of the whistle. So first off, before we do that, we're going to take the whistle and listen to it just raw without any echo or reverb. And you can hear how abruptly it starts and stops. But now what we're going to do is with CV233 at a value of 4, we're going to take CV161 and we're going to set it to a value of 128, which is about 50% of that reverb or echo sound filtered back into the whistle sound. Now let's listen to the whistle play. So you can really hear how that echo has added that depth of tone to the surrounding atmosphere. Now, we can go all the way up to 255. Personally, I like to go a little less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take CV161 and we're going to set it to a value of 75. And as soon as the injector stops running, now let's take a listen to the whistle. So you can really hear how it adds a little bit to it, but it's not overpowering. So this is CV233 to a value of 4 and CV161 to a value of 75. Now let's listen to see what this sounds like on a diesel locomotive. Okay, so now guys, we're going to use this GP15. Now this is equipped with a Tsunami2, and then our friend JT at Scale Sound Systems has supplied the speaker for this one. So he's got a little bit of a deeper tone in the speaker. But we're going to play with this and show how the echo and reverb sound applies. Now this is a Leslie RS3L Airhorn. So I'm going to apply the Airhorn with no echo and reverb. And again, you can hear how quick and abrupt that whistle stops. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take CV233. We're going to set it to a value of 4. Now we're going to take CV161 and we're going to set it to a value of 75, just like we did in our steam locomotive. Now let's listen to the short horn. You can really hear how that echo really does give that depth of tone and really helps make that whistle sound so much better. Now, the advantage here is, again, it's adjustable, so now we can go to a heavy echo. So now let's take CV161 to a value of 200. Now you can really hear how that extra atmosphere has really been added, and that helps that air horn sound a little bit more personal as well. So now that you've seen how much fun and enjoyment the Tsunami2 Echo and Reverb feature adds to the operation of your model railroad, now you can add this to any of your Tsunami2 decoders and really get the best out of it and enjoy your railroad.